Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got a freebie for you all to check out. This one is coming from Samsung. Samsung is giving away 4 months free of YouTube Premium. Now what that means is that you're going to be able to listen to YouTube music, YouTube ad free, and you're going to be able to listen to this in the background, which I love. I'm thinking about subscribing. I've already had this free trial, so I don't think they're going to give it to me again, but I think it's worth the buy because I listen to podcasts all night long while I'm at work. And a lot of times I keep touching my pocket, or when I slide it in my pocket, it cuts on and off, and it, not to mention that it also runs down my battery, right? So I think this is a good deal to try out, especially considering that it is free. All right, now we're going to show you how to set this up. It's real simple. First off, this is only for Samsung owners only, and Samsung lets you know which devices are going to be eligible for this as well. We'll show you that when we get to it, okay? Now, this is what your Samsung member is going to look like in your app drawer, right? If you can't find it, just go ahead and go to the Google Play and then type in Samsung members. And once you get there, it's going to ask you to update. You got to have the latest version of Samsung members in order to get this, okay? So we're going to go ahead, we're going to update. Now this is my wife's phone, so we're not going to actually activate it simply because I don't know if she's ready for it or not, or if she's going to even use it. Me, I will use something like this. All right, now that we got this all set up, tap open, tap agree, go to continue, hit next, and then it says Samsung member, do you want to uninstall this app? Just hit OK. Now, once you get here, you want to tap on benefits. And once you get the benefits, you want to scroll down till you see YouTube Premium, get 4 months on us. Tap there. And then you want to go ahead and tap to Go Premium. And then what this is going to do is just going to bring you to Samsung's website. And you want to tap here to make sure that you're eligible. Read that, scroll down, tap this one as well. And just read it, because this is going to let you know what devices are going to be eligible for this free trial, which is pretty cool, right? So let's go back out and we're going to go to YouTube. So once you go to YouTube, you're going to go to your account. It's going to be right up here at the top. She has a picture. I have a picture on mine, and just go ahead and tap. And once you tap, you want to look for Get YouTube Premium. Tap on that. There you go. It's going to say try it free for 4 months, right? It's a free trial. After that, it's going to cost you $11.99. But what I do like about this is that they're going to remind you in 7 days before it ends, right? But I will set my own reminder just to make sure I don't miss out if I'm going to decide not to keep it, okay? But I think it's a great deal, right? I think it's awesome. And what you're going to get is ad-free music, right? And you can play it in the background, which is awesome. And a lot of times you're trying to listen to something, you're watching a cooking show, and then the ad pops up, right? That's going to get rid of that. And you're going to be able to save videos when you really need them, like when you're on the plane, which means that it's kind of like Netflix, right? You can download it, play it later, whether you got internet or not. And then you got YouTube Music Premium if you like YouTube music. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to try this free trial. Now, if you've already had the trial, it's not going to give it to you again. I don't know if it's going to give you a free month, but it will not give you 4 months free. All right, only for the newbies. All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Smash the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this one. Make sure you subscribe. And listen, enjoy, people. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.